Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll make a reversible apron with pockets using fabric from fat quarters, which are bundles of 5 pieces of 18-inch by 21-inch cotton fabric you can purchase from craft stores like Hobby Lobby, which is where I purchased mine. The price was $9.99 for the bundle. Select colors you like for your projects. Besides a threaded sewing machine, iron, ironing board, or pad, you will need 3 fat quarters with different patterns if you like, 2 for each side of the apron and 1 for the pocket, ribbon of your choice, fabric clips or pins, marking pen or pencil, scissors, and a ruler. We'll measure and cut the pocket size 8-inch by 12-inch, but the size is up to you. Fold all 4 sides of the fabric to hide the raw edges and press with an iron. Then sew a straight stitch across 2 sides, except where the top and bottom of the pocket will be, since one will be the pocket opening. The other will be the bottom of the pocket, but that portion will be attached to the apron with 1 straight stitch. Align the pocket in the middle of the apron towards the bottom half in the position you'd like it in. Then pin in place. Sew the pocket to the first piece of the apron, but make sure to backstitch the ends to keep them secure. You can do a straight stitch away from the middle of the pocket to form 2 compartments. Repeat these steps for the pocket on the other side. Lay the 2 apron sides with right sides together and wrong sides facing upwards with pockets inside. Pin and sew all sides of the fabric and leave a small opening toward the end so we can turn it to the right side. Then turn inside out and stitch the opening closed. Press the opening flat. Stitch the opening closed. We'll measure and add the ribbon, which will become the waistband. Choose your preferred length, but make sure it's long enough to tie in the back. Double check the ribbon to make sure the opening of the pocket faces upwards rather than downwards. Then fold the ribbon evenly over both sides of the top of the apron. You can also fold the ribbon in half and press to ensure both sides are even, as I did, and pin the middle of the ribbon to the middle of the apron. which should be equal lengths on both sides, and clip or pin into place. Sew the ribbon with a straight stitch, then backstitch, and pay close attention when sewing the ribbon onto the top portion by keeping an eye on capturing the bottom of the ribbon as well as the top. Backstitch again at the end where the apron and ribbon meet. Clip all loose threads and finish by pressing the apron to make it nice and neat.